Have you ever felt like going for a drive? This past weekend I went to Monument Rocks in western Kansas. Most people from where I'm from haven't even heard of it, which is strange. As roadside attractions go, it's unlike anything else in the state. One reason I wanted to visit was to boost my mad photography skills, because let's face it, I am an amateur. All photography of the rocks in this video was taken with my camera, which is the Canon Rebel T6i, using the 18 to 55mm kit lens. Something that surprised me was how different the wildlife is compared to where I live. Take this grasshopper for example, which I obsessively followed for a few minutes. And when I was about to leave, I woke up a jackrabbit dozing under a bush. I had never seen a jackrabbit in the wild, and it's awesome that I can stumble across something I've never seen in my home state. I would definitely recommend this place if you're ever passing through on I-70 and have some extra time. It's about half an hour south of Oakley. Be aware there aren't any facilities on location, so make sure to take a rest stop before trekking into the countryside. And if you happen upon a dozing jackrabbit, say hello for me.